Hi, I'm Preeti Ranjan and I
Hi,
am at work
myself
for
Drishalvani.
Unified
I have
Mentor
completed
Data
my
Science Internship
internship with
in the
Unified
batch
Mentor as
that
a full
started
stack web
on
development
20th of
intern. It was
August.
a great learning
And
experience.
it's been
I got to
almost three
work on the
months now.
projects like
I have done
weather
my
app, which
projects
uses API
and
integration,
I
or
am
student teacher
thankful that
booking appointments,
I
which
chose
also uses
Unified
Firebase and
Mentor
Cloud
for the
Firestore. I
internship
had
because
such a great
the
time working
material
on this
that is
project, which
provided to us, the
makes
study
my
material
knowledge
and
or,
everything
my
is
theoretical
very
knowledge
helpful,
worked into
and
the
the support,
practical ones.
whenever we
It
need help
improved
we can
my
connect to
skills
the
in
support.
HTML,
They're
CSS,
always there to
JavaScript,
help us,
and
so I
also
am
I happened to learn new
quite
skills
happy
like
with
React,
the
Node, and Firebase as
this
well.
internship and the
I
knowledge
had
that I'm
such a
gaining.
great time.
Thank you.
Overall,
Hi,
the
I'm Preeti
mentors
Ranjan
in
and
Unified
I am
Mentor
at
are
work
so
for
supportive. Any
Unified
doubts can be
Mentor
solved
Data
if I
Science
message them or
Internship
call them in any
in the
time,
batch that
which was a
started
great thing, which makes
on 20th
every
of
task
August.
easier.
And
Thank you,
it's been
Unified
almost three
Mentor, for
months now.
giving me this
I
opportunity,
have
and I'll
done my
recommend to all
projects
the students to
and
gain the
I am
work
thankful that
experience and the
I
real life
chose
experience
Unified
through this.
Mentor for
Thank you.
the